Good morning, class. Today we are discussing about social stratification. What is social stratification? The human society has continued the practice of classifying people as superior, inferior, and upper, lower, and assigning differential roles and status. This method of dividing people into different strata and then assigning different roles and status is called social stratification. Causes of social stratification are many, but five basic points on which society is divided are inequality, conflict, power, wealth, and instability. There are five forms of stratification. They are primitive society, slavery system, estate system, Varna system or class system, and caste system. Social stratifications categorize groups of people into a hierarchy on the basis of wealth, status, or power. It is one of the features of social stratification. Difference among people is based on the social recognition and importance but not on any physical traits. In the beginning, the Varna system was present in the Indian society. Varna system is a system of social division. It is said that it is based on karma theory. Brahmanas study, teach, and participate in yajnas. Kshatriyas, they take up political administration. Vaishyas conduct business. Shudras take up manual laborers. The fifth group, which were considered as untouchables, or Dalits, were treated meanly. Now, of course, we are not and don't practice Varna system at all. Social stratification is universal. Wherever human society exists, difference exists based on the division of labor, profession, income, and other social traits. This social stratification is in existence since the birth of human society. It was found in nomadic society as well as modern civilized society. This picture shows the practice of untouchability, which still persists deep in rural areas. According to Gandhiji, untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system. He said, it is a leprosy attached to human skin. An analysis of why a group of people outside the village, whether they came from outside or pushed outside, provides an answer to the birth and practice of untouchability, said Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Before winding up, let us again recall the meaning of social stratification. When differences lead to greater status, power, or privilege for some groups over the other group, it is called social stratification. Here we need to learn the nature and importance of social stratification. Through this system, men control and compete by not giving opportunity to others to be successful. This makes them to adapt to social environment and would improve standard of living. With this, by controlling animals and nature, they try to attain a stable society. In this picture, you can see how gender discrimination against women takes place. Gender inequality was persistent in our society from centuries. Girls were always given secondary preference for education, for securing health services, and for attaining security of their own job and income. In this scenario, the development should include the food and nutrition security to the women and children to overcome gender based discrimination. If social stratification continues in all the societies, a poor man will remain a slave under the pressure of rich and cruel people. Hence, let us only learn social stratification but will never practice the same. With this, let me conclude the lesson. We'll meet you soon with a new video next week. Till then, it is bye to you all. Bye bye, children. Thank you, one and all.